Oh my gosh, I am so excited that you stopped to watch this. I had a stroke of genius the other day and decided to incorporate something that I do every day for warm up for my drawing or painting right into my bullet journal. Stick around and I'll show you what I did. Hello, and welcome back to another bullet journaling video. This time, you're going to see me set up the second week of September in my journal. And I'm incorporating, like you heard in the intro there, some space to do something that I do every single day, but I'm going to do it right in my bullet journal. I have been doing Zentangling as a way for me to warm up my arm and my hand before I do any drawing or painting, which I pretty much every day do some drawing or painting. So Zentangling for me has been another way on top of all the ways that I meditate. This has been another way for me to kind of calm my mind. So in between my practice of meditation, like more a traditional kind of meditation in the mornings, and when I actually get into my studio to do some work for the day, there's lots of time in there for all of the thoughts to start swirling in my head, and so sometimes it helps for me just to calm those thoughts a little bit by doing a quick Zentangle. It takes me about 10 to 15 minutes to do one, and I've been doing them on separate sheets of paper every day for the last quite a while now. So I've got sheets of paper flying all over the place in my office with my cute little Zentangle doodles on them, and I thought how fun would it be to incorporate it right into my bullet journal. So I'm going to try it this week, keeping a nice simple spread. You'll know if you watched last week's video that I got a little bit overwhelmed with the elaborate spreads in August and stopped using my journal altogether. So this past week, which was the first week of September, I was happy to be back on the simple layouts in my bullet journal. So anyway, I'm going to speed the video up now for you, and you can take a look and see where you think that I'm going to be doing my daily Zentangles on this layout. Okay, here we go. Here are some of the Zentangles that I've got kicking around. Did you guess that that's where it was going? I won't be drawing them on separate papers anymore and then gluing them in here, although you could definitely do that. I will be just doing my Zentangles right in my bullet journal in that big black space at the top of every day's page. And let's do one final flip through here so you can see what I did. Dutch door again with the rolling task list on the side, room for me to make notes on the projects I'm working on every day, and do a Zentangle. That's it for today's video. I hope you had a great time watching me work in my bullet journal, as much fun as I have working in my bullet journal. And please let me know what of these ideas, if any, you incorporate into your bullet journaling. Thanks again so much for watching. I hope to see you back again here soon. Take care. Bye.